Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. Here we bring you all kinds of solutions, whether it's a fast fix or an in-depth tutorial. We are here to make problem solving easy for you. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to remove an account from Messenger. First of all, you can open the Messenger application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply tap on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen. And here you can just simply tap on the name or arrow icon that you see at the top of the screen, and after this you can just simply see your different accounts. You can just simply select the account that you want to remove on Messenger. You can just simply swipe right of the account that you want to remove, and here you can see the option remove. Tap on it and your account will be removed on Messenger. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help? Drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.